Hi everyone, as I showed in my previous videos, you can improve video quality using CapCut and other applications. But as you know, not everyone has the ability to download CapCut, adjust all those gradients and effects, and not everyone enjoys doing that. Today I will show you how you can improve video quality using Aiarty Video Enhancer, a very simple but powerful tool. You simply add your video and click Enhance Video Quality, and the artificial intelligence does the rest. Before we move on to the features, I want to be honest. The sponsor of this video is Aiarty Video Enhancer, and because of that, we are doing a giveaway of several free licenses. To participate, you need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment under this video, and join my public Telegram channel where we will announce the giveaway results. There will be 6 winners, and we will select them specifically from those who left comments. However, I want to emphasize that sponsorship in no way influences the results of our test. We will conduct the most honest analysis possible and ultimately draw an objective final conclusion. So after you add the video into the program, the first thing you see is the before and after window. You can move the slider and see how the video looked before and how it looks after processing. Now let's talk about the program features and how we use them in practice. AI module. There are 3 models: Modethel HQ V3, Basic Quality Enhancement, great for regular content; Smoothie HQ V3, makes the video smoother and softens details; Durba Super Video VHQ, for maximum enhancement, detail restoration and sharpness. For this video, I choose Super Video VHQ to show the strongest possible result. Video quality, you can enhance up to 4K, and I always keep it on 4K. CPU and GPU, if you have a graphics card, you can select both for faster processing. I don't have a GPU, so I use only the CPU. Step mode significantly improves details and reduces VRAM usage, but slows down processing. For this video, I skip it. Turbo mode speeds up processing with minimal quality loss. I also don't use it, but if you need to process a large number of videos quickly, you can enable it. Editing has many features, such as rotating, mirroring, and cropping videos. I only use this feature when necessary. Color, I always use this feature because it allows you to improve the video quality in detail. I adjust settings depending on the video. For this video, I applied the best settings, which you will see in the screen. Frame interpolation and frame rate allows you to make the video smoother, increase FPS, or create slow motion. I rarely use this feature, but it's available if needed. HDR, an experimental feature that does not work perfectly for every video, so I skip it. Audio denoise. For short projects, I use the built-in tool. For longer videos, 10-15 minutes and more, I prefer Adobe Audition for more detailed audio processing. After selecting all the needed features, the AI processes the video and you can compare before and after again to see the difference. When everything is ready, you simply click Export, choose the format and folder, and your video is ready. Aiarty Video Enhancer does an excellent job improving video quality and saves a lot of time and resources. Compared to other programs that require a lot of settings and effects, this tool works instantly. And the most important thing is that many video enhancement features in other programs are paid and require a subscription. But Aiarty Video Enhancer, even without a subscription or payment, already works very well and delivers a noticeable result. Don't forget about the free license giveaway. To participate, you need to subscribe to the channel, like this video, leave a comment under this video, join my public Telegram channel. There will be 6 winners and we will choose them from the people who commented under this video. So giveaway results will be announced in Telegram. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, write a comment, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss the giveaway. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.